Hi everyone, it's Tunney-Ware from the BNI Mayo chapter and the Secretary-Treasurer of that chapter. And as the Secretary-Treasurer, it is one of my responsibilities to ensure that your BNI bio is up to date. The reason being is that information is pulled into the app, and when it advertises the next this week's speaker is their information, some of their information will be pulled in. Also, on BNI Ireland West and Midwest, their information is pulled in. So for instance, if you haven't got a profile image or a logo up, none of that will come up. On top of that, if you haven't filled in my business, or you can put a video on as well, and your ideal referral and top product, top problem solved, my favourite BNI story, and my ideal referral. If you haven't filled that in, then all this is blank. And this is on, like, basically one of the BNI pages that your information comes up on. Also, it comes up on the app. Also, it comes up on BNI Connect. People can do an advanced search here. That's right across the country. Bear in mind, your BNI profile is really like the equivalent of Facebook for BNI, LinkedIn for BNI. This is where the members of BNI across the country and across the region and across Europe and America are going to search for you. And this is a brilliant opportunity to get business. I've had countless of referrals from just from my BNI Connect profile. So if your profile isn't up to date, one, you're not getting the credibility in the app, and you're not getting it on the website, and you're not getting it on BNI Connect. And that's only some of the areas how your BNI profile will help you. So we're back here at when you log in, you might log in at the home page. And when you're on the home page, you'll go into update profile and my BNI page. Before we go there, remember this section here. Most people seem to miss that section. Fill that in. That's pulled into another database. So each section's there for a reason. What people are inclined to do is just dot the I's and cross the T's quickly just to get it done. However, you've got to look at your VCP. If you've only gone about it half-heartedly and it's your bio, then when people are looking at it, they may think that you do your job half-heartedly, especially if you haven't got a BNI profile image up. So I'm not saying my BNI profile is the best, but the point of me showing you mine is to give you an indication of like what should be done in some areas, and if anyone points out any mistakes of mine, I'll be happy for them to tell me so I can correct it. So when you go in, when you click update profile my BNI page, you click in on that, and then you go down and there's your information to put in there. That's obviously the general information, my business. That section there is pulled in on the website here. You can put a video in that, and that basically you iframe it in. If anyone needs any help with that in our chapter, I help them. Common keywords, this is what people are going to search for on the BNI platform, whether that be in the app, whether that be on BNI West and Midwest website, or whether that be on BNI Connect. So ensure that your keywords are in there. If you're not sure how to do that, then whatever your category is, let's say adventure activities, go into Google, say, type in adventure activities, and come down the bottom here, and you might get relative tags, as in adventure activities Ireland, outdoor activities. Yeah. So if yours is stone cladding, then see what other related keywords come up, and that might give you an idea. So let's say outdoor activities will be a good one for me. So click on that. I'm going to copy that and add that into my BNI keywords, and all you do is after each one, put a comma, space, paste. Now I'm at maximum, so I can't put any more in. So basically, to get ideas about your keywords, it might be outdoor activities Mayo, and you could look again on outdoor activities, come down to the bottom of the page and see what the other related keywords are here. So think about it from not your perspective, from the person who's going to be searching for you's perspective. And that's just on the first tab. Then we've got obviously your username and different things like that, your logo, which is important to have, because on the BNI main page your logo will come up, your profile image, that will come up in the app and on this page and on other areas of the BNI network. So then you've got obviously your contact information, your address, your air code, your phone numbers, your email address, your website, your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your Twitter, etc., and obviously main address and everything there. Make sure that's up to date so people can get in contact with you easily. Obviously, if they can't find your contact information, how are they going to contact you? On this one here, this is member to member. Tick the appropriate or like ones you want. Yeah, obviously remember to update each time you make a change. And on your main bio, years in business and all the different things down here, please fill all these in, because this information is pulled out across the different networks and the search engines of BNI. Bear in mind, like I said earlier, BNI Connect is the Facebook and Twitter of our BNI network, and there's thousands of members, and if you're not up to date on this, then nobody's going to find you, and you're giving up the opportunity of referrals. Now there's a couple of tabs here, like this tab here wouldn't be on yours because that's for a DC one, and this one here, training history, so you can see all your training here, all the training you've done on the BNI. This doesn't include BNI University, it's just the training you've done since you've been a member. So other people can, as far as I know, can see some of the training you've done, especially member success. So ensure you keep up to date with member success, because that's an indication. It's like a quality score for BNI. You'll see the on the home page here, this comes up, and if you've done member success program, obviously if that badge isn't there, that means you either haven't done it or it's out of date, which means you can't be on the speakers roster. And ideally, if your bio's not up to date on BNI Connect, it makes it hard for the Secretary Treasurer to put you up as the speaker, because obviously how you do one thing is how you do everything. How you represent yourself is also how you represent your chapter. And have you got positive visibility and credibility, where from the other side, as in somebody looking at your bio, if they see that you've cut corners in your bio and barely done it, it might indicate to them that you may barely do the job you're supposed to do. So please ensure that everything's up to date on your BNI Connect profile. It's Tunney-Ware from the BNI Mayo chapter, signing off. Have a brilliant day.